Today I'll show you exactly how Bid Online Auction works, from installation to your first successful auction. Let's dive in. Search for Bid Online Auction in the Shopify App Store and install the app. Once installed, I need to enable in my theme settings. Enable the app in App Embeds and save. Now let's explore the dashboard. Here I can see all my auctions, users, and orders at a glance. We can see all the auctions, and we can filter and search them. Let's create our first auction. I can either create a new product or select an existing one from my store. Now I'll set up the auction parameters. This is the minimum price I'm willing to accept. Bidders can purchase immediately at this price. I've also enabled popcorn bidding, which extends the auction by 5 minutes if someone bids at the last minute, preventing sniping. The auction is now live on my store. Now let's see what customers see. Here's how the auction appears on my store. Customers can see the current bid, time remaining, and bid history. Placing a bid is simple. Just click the bid button. The bid history shows all previous bids transparently. If needed, I can modify auction settings, end auctions early, or extend them. I have full control over the process. That's Bid Online Auction in action, from setup to sale in just minutes.